back to my channel. It's me, Janelle. So today I will be doing a clothing haul. I will be showing you guys like maybe 3 to 5 different outfits that I'm most likely gonna be wearing to school since it is back to school season. So keep on watching. As you guys can see, the shirt is like way too loose, but I have a trick. Just gonna have to tie it. And I'm just gonna fold the sleeves up so it could add a little bit of cuteness effect on it. So the shirt is like literally oversized, but I think it looks pretty cute with a skirt. So this is the first outfit. I like it. The second outfit I got on is from Forever 21. The top is actually satin with the lace details on the v-neck part, and I really like the pants, guys. It came with this little belt thing, which I think really is cute and chic. And it's just olive green pants. So this next outfit, guys, is another Ariana Grande collection sweater that I also got from H&M for like maybe 30 bucks. And it's really cute because it has this little drawstring that you could just like pull it. But if you want it tighter, you could just... And I'm wearing it with my biker shorts that I got from Victoria's Secret Pink. And this is like my favorite part of the biker shorts because neon green has been like really in color right now, and I've seen a lot of neon green outfits, but I really like this outfit together. And my shoes are gonna be, I don't think you guys can see it, but I'm gonna try, my Air Max 97. This is so weird because I can't fit my whole entire outfit, so I gotta do what I gotta do to show you guys my whole entire outfit, but I think it's really cute together. This top is from Pretty Little Things. Shout out to my best friend for getting this top. I know you're gonna be watching my video, so say hi, girl. And my white denim skirt is from H&M, and this is really cute. It's just the back is so open, but it's cute. I love it. So this last and final outfit, they're both from Garage. So the top is a one shoulder long sleeve in black, and I'm gonna be wearing my camo skirt with it that I also got from Garage, which is really cute. And I'm not sure what shoes to wear with it. Maybe my Air Max is gonna go with it. I'm not sure. I have other shoes, it's just I'm not gonna be able to show you guys the whole entire outfit with the shoes, so I was just like, why bother putting shoes on? But I think the camo and the black really go well together. So yes, so that was it, you guys. That is my clothing haul. Those are only the couple outfits that I got for back to school, and I got a couple more outfits, but I don't think I have enough time to try them on and edit the whole entire video because it's gonna be too long. But these are like literally my personal favorites from all the outfits that I've got. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.